Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to play League of Legends. So at first, just open your Riot client to launch the game. And as you launch the game, your game will load in a while. And all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And guys, as it loads, you're in this home screen. So just stay at this home screen and look at the left top for the option play and just click on here at first. As you do that, again select the option you want to play like PvP or co-op versus AI or the training option and click on the option Confirm. And as you do that, you are inside the game of LOL, League of Legends. So guys, that's how you play League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.